Hi, today we're hanging out in the backyard, grilling up some hot dogs with the Soundstone 2, a really great outdoor speaker that delivers the tunes where you want them. So here's the story. It's great to be outside. The sun is shining, your friends are over, and you're gathering around the fire pit in the backyard. You want your tunes outside with you too, but you don't want to deal with wiring everything up, and you definitely don't want the backside of your house to have some ugly speakers just slapped up there. Well, rest easy, partner. We've got exactly what you want. Soundstone 2. First of all, the realistic rock design blends right into your yard. Soundstone 2 is self-powered, and it has a rechargeable battery, so there's no power cord. It streams music wirelessly from any Bluetooth-enabled device, so there's no audio cable. And it links wirelessly to its stereo mate up to 30 feet away, so there's no interconnecting wire between the two speakers. When we say completely wireless, we mean it. So easy, anyone can do it. Of course, none of that would matter if this thing didn't sound great, but it does, thanks to its 5-inch full-range speaker and powerful internal amplifier. And that rechargeable battery is going to last all cookout long, starting with the chips and dip, past the dogs and burgers, through the corn on the cob, all the way to the ice cream cake. Man, that's a long time. Uh-oh, the sun just disappeared, and here comes a shower. Everyone inside. Now calm down. Soundstone 2 is water resistant, so it's safe to leave out in the rain. Other nice touches? We include a USB cord for quick recharging, and there's an 1/8-inch input and cable for non-Bluetooth devices. For those of you who still live in the Stone Age, and not the Soundstone 2 age. That's been a look at Soundstone 2. Thanks for watching.